I got these chatters. They just want to chat, chat, chat. All they do is talk. They're very chatty. I know. All they do is talk. I know. It's odd. Look at this little one. Isn't he cute? He's so cute. We got babies at the water. Got babies up here. We're just sitting and talking with the birds. Everybody's fed. We got a baby over here too. Trying to play. Just figuring things out. Just wandering about, figuring things out. Wandering aimlessly, but knowing that he's going somewhere quick. Isn't he cute? So cute. So on my drive, I found a pond, geese, and ducks. Well, because you know, we like them. So we're feeding them. I fed them corn and wild bird feed, and I'm feeding, yes, this is funny. We got the sun at our back. Look at the sun rays, I know. And then I also got Barnum caves. Good God. Do I have fucking circus shit in my car? Yes, I do. Animal crackers, something about elephants, Dumbo. It's funny signs. Anyhow, elephants been coming around a lot. So I already fed them the stuff for the bird seed and stuff. All I got left now is cookies, and there's babies out here. So, and they were fighting and chasing each other. But that's okay, because we spread the love, and we go out to different areas, so that way, like this little white one, can get what it needs, and nobody fights and chases everybody off, because we spread the love everywhere, so that way it's all over the ground, and there is abundance everywhere, and everybody gets a taste. Something about that. I know. See? It says they follow, so they can get their stuff. Aren't they cute? Oh, we love our birds. So anyhow, what about that?